Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm doing the part 2 video of the fundamental analysis. Okay, so first you open the investing.com app again. Okay, so when you open it, it's going to load. Okay, so I'm going to continue from where I was telling you about the news. Okay, the news. So it was 12:30 that they released the news. I'm going to explain something to you to understand. Okay, so it's loading. So when it's open, I'm going to explain everything to you so that you can understand the fundamental analysis. Okay, so when it's open like this, you go to more. Okay, then you go to calendars. Okay, so the calendar is called economic calendar. Okay, so first you go to your funnel. Okay, the funnel at the top, the orange lines at the top, the 3 orange lines at the top. So you make sure that your filters are on. Okay, turn it on. Then you select the default. Okay, default. So then you also select the high. The set importance is the high news. Okay, then you set it at high on it. Okay, then you go back. So right now the news that was released today was 3 news for the US dollar. Okay, and for the Forex people, that is GBP, but we will trade cryptocurrency. So today the news that was released was average hourly earning and non-farm payroll unemployment rate. Okay, so this simply means that the BTC current pairs with the United States. Okay, the US dollar. Okay, so the US dollar fiat currency is the USD. Okay, so that's why fundamental analysis is important, because cryptocurrencies are paired with the United States dollar. Okay, so if anything that happens in the United States dollar is going to affect you or benefit us. Okay, simply means that you see this news that is at the down, non-farm payroll. So you open non-farm payroll. Okay, so you open it. So when you open it, you can see the actual forecast and previous. So the previous was the last month. Okay, last month the forecast was 212k. That was the forecast for last month. So the previous month, well, the news that was released was 270k. You see, so it was up. Okay, it was up. So right now, all I'm trying to explain to you that if they say non-farm payroll measures the change in the number of people employed during the prior month, excluding workers in the farm industry, given that full employment is one of the Federal Reserve mandates is very closely watched. Okay, so this simply means they say a reading that is stronger than the forecast is generally supportive. That is what bullish for the US dollar, while a weaker than forecast reading is generally negative. That's bearish for the US dollar. So this simply means that if last month the forecast previous was 270k, sorry, if the last month the people that were employed, okay, the people that was working in the farm was 727 last month, that means the dollar was very bad. Okay, that means the dollar was very bad. That's why they couldn't employ people. They couldn't employ plenty people. So last month they employed only 270k people, meaning that the dollar was very bad. And if dollar is very bad, it's weak, cryptocurrencies increase in value, BTC grows in value. Okay, because of BTC is paired with the US dollar. You understand? So if the dollar is weak, it benefits the BTC, and if the dollar is strong, the BTC reverses. BTC becomes weak. So right now you can see that the news that they released today, okay, that's 5th April 2024, 12:30 in the afternoon, this afternoon. So you can see the actual was 303,000 people that they employed. Okay, so you can see the difference right now. If they employ 303,000 people this month, that means what? The dollar is good. The dollar rate is good. That's why US government employed plenty people than last month. So if the government employed 303k people, that means it's going to affect what? BTC. It's going to affect cryptocurrency. So, and the BTC, this thing, Bitcoin is the basic coin for all the alternate coins. If I say alternate coins, that is Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP. You see those coins, they are under Bitcoin. Bitcoin is their father. So if something happens to Bitcoin, it's going to affect them. If Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins to follow up. They will pump even more. If Bitcoin is reducing, the altcoins will reduce more. So right now you can see that USA, the dollar is strong. The dollar is strong at the moment. So you see the actual, you can see the previous they employ only 270,000 people. You see, that means the dollar was weak. That's why they couldn't employ plenty people. But this month, the people that filed for the unemployment, they were employed. So they were employed. So the number of people that were employed are more than last month. So that means the dollar is strong. So if the dollar is strong, it's going to affect BTC, it's going to affect cryptocurrencies. So always you have to check for news, and the news repeats itself every month. Okay, so it begins in every first Friday of the month. So every first Friday of every month, new month, you have to check for the news to know how the fiat currency is holding in United States. Okay, that's how we do fundamental analysis. And right now, if you don't check for the news, and you go and enter trade right now, you lose your money and you learn sense. Honestly, I'm telling you the fact. So right now, the dollar is stronger. So please, you have to know that the dollar is strong. So it's going to make BTC drop. So right now, what you look for is to what? Sell. What you have to look for is to sell. You have to take a short position on the market. So anytime the actual is more than the previous, then the dollar is strong. And anytime the actual is less than the previous, then the dollar is weak, then the BTC can go up. Okay, so that's how we do fundamental analysis before you can take a trade. You can go to your Binance app to take your trade, or KuCoin or Bybit to trade. So always do your fundamental analysis first. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Kindly like, comment, share, let the video go far so that people too can learn. Okay, so please go to my YouTube channel to subscribe my YouTube channel and watch the full videos. I've been doing videos on my YouTube, so you can watch and learn more about trading. Okay, so thank you, stay tuned.